Today, let's understand how to read the price action with two different time frames. 30-minute time frame, Nifty chart is in front of me. Spot chart, 5-minute time frame chart is in the bottom. So now let's understand how to get those important levels areas from 30-minute time frame, and let's implement the same on 5-minute time frame. How to find directions for intraday trading, especially I will be taking examples of Nifty and Bank Nifty. So quickly, what is this area? Price action over here is trying to move up down without any clear direction on a 30-minute time frame. So what are all the key important levels price action going on here? Very closely, if I want to see, there is a sideways price action, upside, failure. So always remember, failure attempts are more powerful. Yampi, who is failing? No point in wasting time ki X pattern is forming, Y candle pattern is forming. Focus who is failing. Bulls who have tried to make an upside move, they are failing and price is trying to come down. So now my next focus is, when next time price approaches this area, what is the reaction of sellers, bearish players? Because already bulls failed here. That is the reason false breakout price came down. So next time, whenever price approaching the same level, what is the reaction of the bearish players and what is the reaction of the bullish players? That is my only focus. So now if I just try to mark the same level here, this is the false breakout level probably. Yes. Just look at the price action, very simple. This is the false breakout level, which happened on 1st of January. So let's go into the 5-minute time frame. 1st of January, as the markets were closing, what was the activity? False breakout. Notice the next day what happened. Morning price opened below it. Price gave a pullback, once again rejected. Here, if I open a future chart, I can even also plot VWAP here. Let me quickly do that. Just for the plotting of VWAP, I will use the future chart. Same. Notice what happened on the price action here. Market open next day, try to move up, rejection coming in from the VWAP, straight away price dropping down. What is happening? What is the hint we are getting? Same date, 2nd of January, just to make sure to show you the VWAP, I have plotted the future chart. Same area pe price is trying to reject. Next day, price opening below the breakout, false breakout level. Price would have easily made an open above it. No, but what happened? Price took resistance, came down. In a shorter time frame, price tried to move up, rejecting from the VWAP, price came down. Next, around the same area, when the price has approached, it has approached on the 5th. What happened on the 5th of the session? Again and again, this is probably around 6th morning, next 8th morning, because Yamp 5th session morning, there was nothing much special, price not even came. 8th morning price, again bulls tried to cross those levels. What happened? Just notice this. Market open, trying to move up, immediately rejecting, price closing below VWAP, and then straight away price trying to come down. So notice one more thing on the top on a 30-minute time frame. Just notice this. We have a breakout failure reference level. We have previous day's high. Price bulls trying to cross previous day's high and breakout failure breakout level, reversing back down. Again, same reversing back down. Here, one important key factor is, I am not here to predict. It will cross. This will happen. Try to understand. Predicting will never help you to make consistent money. What I will be more comfortable to do is, I want to see the price action developing around those reference level, because until price is not crossing or trying to take a support and rejecting, this sellers will not easily leave the price action to move up. So rather than over predicting, it will make upside breakout. I will not waste time like normal traders waste time in predicting. I want to see the price action around the reference level and accordingly react. What happening? Price trying to move up, not able to sustain, again reversing back down. If I want to show you same in the spot chart itself. That will be make you more clear. Just notice the same level mark. We have previous days high here. Again, sideways price action. Price came down. Still sellers. Price bulls trying to move up. Unsuccessful. Instantly rejecting the price. Where? False breakout area. Sellers area. And one more thing, when price action is overlapping and sideways, it's very important to focus on the extreme, top and bottom extreme. That is where we can get the best low risk, high reward opportunity, unless price is not making a breakout on the upside or breakout on the downside. Next interesting part, the same scenario which was going on and on and on. Just notice one more thing here, where Jampe price was trying to take multiple time resistance. Here next on the Friday session, it took support. That is the reason I was telling price, if it is crossing, not in an urgent for a breakout. Let it, I will be more comfortable to see whether price is sustaining above this, taking support or not. Same false breakout level, and we have this one more reference level. What is this? Nearest resistance point, because this is Jan 1st. Already 1, 2, 3 times price, 3, 4 times price approach to the same level, sellers rejected. So multiple time already this levels has been rejected by the sellers. Now the importance of that levels breakout failure level is came down. I'm speaking about this one, this breakout failure level. Already 2 to 3 times price came near to it. 1 and 2 here already price rejected, not even going near, not even going near, rejecting. So already multiple actions has developed. So now the importance of that levels has came down. What is nearest reference level? Jampe sellers now trying to come. Not from the breakout level, even before that. This is the area. Jampe sellers trying to come and instantly reject. If I could see here, this is multi-day high price trying to move up, instantly rejecting. Now, this is my nearest reference level I'll be focusing, because that is where sellers are trying to reject. Already multiple attempts rejected from the breakout failures level. Now, what's happening? Price made a gap up, but trying to come down. Now, the interesting factor here is, if the sellers are interested to reject, they will not waste time in allowing the price to take support like this. Here, if I want to zoom and show you the chart, price is trying to take a support. Just notice this. Jampe same area multiple times, sellers were rejecting very easily in the morning itself. Now they are trying to go sideways, trying to take a support. Int for change in the price action. That is the reason I personally never track market key everywhere what is happening. If I want any big time frame reference level for intraday, I go with 30-minute time frame to get a better understanding. Quickly, if I want to showcase you on the bank nifty also, just try to see the price action development here. Price trying to reject, multiple time prices trying to reject. What's happening? The range is slightly bigger here. This is the broad range Jampe price action is trying to develop, with all the top is getting rejected here. Rejection. Price trying to move up, unable to sustain. Let's say top is getting rejected. And notice this, all the top is getting rejected, and the bottom bulls are trying to come again and again. So where we can find those best opportunity when the top is getting rejected? How to identify the top is getting rejected? Very simple. Price will struggle to cross and do action above previous day's high. Price will struggle to cross and do action above previous day's high. Very simple. If I want to plot previous day's high of the few trading session, just notice this. This is previous day's high of a session. Just if I want to plot 29th, just look at this. This is the previous day's high. Price struggle to cross next trading session, rejected. Next, this is same goes for the previous day high is continuing here also. And this is where one thing, notice this. First time price trying to take a support from the previous day's high. That is on which trading session? 4th January. Just notice the price action. Jump a multiple time the higher level getting rejected. I am not predicting here, but I am trying to see price is trying to take a support from the previous days high. Same fourth chart here, 30-minute on top, 5-minute on bottom. Price trying to take a support. What is happening? Price slowly trying to move up. Where? This is the area price was sideways, breakout failure. Price going to the same area, again trying to come back down. Same story continues. Previous days high, not crossing. This is the same story which is continuing. Struggling to cross previous days high, taking resistance here. That is where more top is getting formed. Why I'm focusing on previous day high and low? Try to understand. Markets are not trending like straight away moving up. No. On the bank nifty, markets are moving up, down, swings are developing. So on any reference levels, whether it is previous day high, low, or any higher level, higher time frame reference level, or any different way of reference level you are plotting, the only goal what I do is I need to see price action, whether it is price is trying to take a support, rejecting up, trying to take a resistance, rejecting down. What is happening? Price sustaining above the reference level, sustaining below the reference level. What price action is going on? First, try to understand that and then plan your trading strategy accordingly, which can help you to improve your trading to go more towards correct direction.